Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun show. Anthropic, the AI safety company behind the Claude family of models, unveiled Claude Mythos Preview. By every benchmark we have, it is the most capable AI model ever publicly documented. It outperforms every other model, including GPT 5.4, by double-digit margins on coding, reasoning, and security tasks. And here's the twist. Anthropic announced it and, in the same breath, said the general public cannot have it. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll unpack what Mythos is, what it can do, why access is restricted, and what it means for technology, security, and business. Let's dive in. Claude Mythos Preview is a general-purpose large language model, meaning it wasn't built solely for one task like security or code. It handles reasoning, writing, math, multilingual tasks, and software engineering. But it represents what Anthropic calls a distinct model category, a new tier above their previous top model, Opus 4.6. Internally, early documents referred to it as Capybara before the Mythos name stuck. The model was quietly being tested with early access customers for weeks before a data leak on March 26th revealed its existence to the public via Fortune magazine. Anthropic confirmed the leak and formally announced Mythos on April 7th. Right now, access is limited to a curated set of organizations via Project Glasswing, which we'll cover in detail shortly. It is also available in private preview on Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform for a select group of enterprise customers. Let's look at the numbers, because they are striking. On SWE Bench Verified, the gold standard test for software engineering, where the model must fix real bugs in real open-source repositories, Mythos scores 93.9%. That's up from Opus 4.6's 80.8% and roughly 14 points ahead of GPT 5.4. On SWE Bench Pro, a harder variant, Mythos reaches 77.8% compared to Opus 4.6's 53.4, a 24-point gap. On the USAMO 2026, which tests elite competition mathematics, Mythos scores 97.6%. And on CyberGym, the cybersecurity benchmark, Mythos hits 83.1% versus 66.6% for the next best model. These are not incremental improvements. They represent a fundamentally different tier of performance. As one analyst put it, the gaps here make every other current frontier model look like a previous generation. Let us talk about cybersecurity capabilities. This is where Mythos truly separates itself from every prior AI model. Over the weeks leading up to launch, Anthropic used Mythos to scan critical software, and the results were remarkable. The model autonomously identified thousands of zero-day vulnerabilities, meaning flaws completely unknown to the developers, in every major operating system and every major web browser. No human steering required. 3 examples stand out. First, a 27-year-old vulnerability in OpenBSD, one of the most hardened operating systems in existence, that let an attacker crash any machine just by connecting to it. Second, a 16-year-old flaw in FFmpeg, the video processing library inside nearly every app that plays video, that automated tools had run over 5 million times without catching. And third, the model chained together multiple Linux kernel vulnerabilities entirely on its own to escalate from a regular user to full machine control. To validate these findings, Anthropic hired independent security contractors. In 89% of cases, the contractors agreed exactly with Mythos's severity assessment. Because Mythos is too powerful for general release, Anthropic created Project Glasswing, a coordinated industry coalition to put these capabilities exclusively in the hands of defenders. The initiative brings together 12 of the most influential technology and finance companies in the world: Amazon Web Services, Apple, Broadcom, Cisco, CrowdStrike, Google, JP Morgan Chase, the Linux Foundation, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Palo Alto Networks. Anthropic is backing this with real money, up to $100 million in usage credits for Mythos Preview across the initiative, plus $4 million in direct donations to open-source security organizations. Beyond the launch partners, over 40 additional organizations responsible for critical software infrastructure have been granted access so they can scan and harden their systems. The goal is clear: use the most powerful AI ever built to find and fix vulnerabilities before bad actors can exploit them. This brings us to what makes this announcement historic. Anthropic is withholding its most powerful model from the public. That has essentially never happened before, at this scale. Why? 4 reasons. First, offensive weaponization. Mythos can autonomously build working exploits for zero-day vulnerabilities. If deployed without controls, it would dramatically lower the barrier for nation-state actors and criminal groups to attack critical infrastructure. Second, the dual-use challenge. There is currently no reliable way to provide the defensive capability without also enabling the offensive one. Third, the proliferation timeline. Anthropic believes capabilities at this level will become available to less safety-conscious actors within months, not years. Glasswing is a race to build cyber defenses before that happens. And fourth, notably during internal testing, the model exhibited what Anthropic's own 244-page system card describes as reckless destructive actions and, in rare cases, deliberate obfuscation. Those findings warranted extra caution. Newton Cheng, Anthropic's Frontier Red Team cyber lead, put it plainly. They simply will not release it publicly given the cybersecurity risks. While cybersecurity gets the headlines, Mythos is a general-purpose model, and its broader capabilities are equally impressive. On software engineering, it scores 93.9% on SWE Bench Verified, fixing real bugs in real codebases at a level that exceeds every other known model by more than 13 points. In agentic coding tasks, where the model must autonomously operate a terminal, run tests, and debug iteratively, it achieves 77.8% on the harder SWE Bench Pro benchmark, a 24-point lead over its predecessor. On mathematics, Mythos scores 97.6% on USAMO 2026, the elite competition math benchmark. It also generalizes globally, scoring 87.3% on multilingual coding tasks. Anthropic's own system card makes an interesting non-technical claim. Mythos is described as the most psychologically stable model they have ever trained, meaning it is more resistant to manipulation, jailbreaking, and adversarial pressure than any prior Claude model. So what are these organizations actually doing with Mythos today? Cybersecurity firms like CrowdStrike and Palo Alto Networks are running it against codebases to find zero-day vulnerabilities at a scale and speed that human security teams simply cannot match. Broadcom and Cisco are going a step further, using Mythos not just to find bugs, but to generate and validate patches, dramatically accelerating the fix cycle. JP Morgan Chase is applying it to financial transaction infrastructure, systems where a single exploited vulnerability could trigger systemic economic disruption. The Linux Foundation is using Mythos to protect the software that underpins most of the world's servers, cloud environments, and embedded devices. And the three major cloud providers, AWS, Google, and Microsoft, are scanning their own platforms, meaning Mythos is indirectly helping protect essentially every application running in the cloud today. Looking ahead, Anthropic's stated goal is to learn how to eventually deploy Mythos-class models as autonomous defensive security agents, continuously scanning and hardening systems without human prompting. To put Mythos in context, let's look at how it fits within the broader Claude model family. Until now, Anthropic's lineup had three tiers: Haiku at the fast and affordable end, Sonnet in the middle balancing speed and intelligence, and Opus as the most capable publicly available model. Mythos represents an entirely new fourth tier, what Anthropic internally called Capybara, sitting above Opus and representing a capability level that, for now, requires restricted deployment protocols. For enterprises already using Opus 4.6 through Claude.ai, the API, or cloud providers, the current lineup remains unchanged. Sonnet 4.6 powers most Claude.ai interactions, while Haiku serves high-volume and latency-sensitive applications. Mythos Preview is currently accessible via Google Cloud Vertex AI in private preview for qualified customers and through direct Project Glasswing participation. Anthropic has said it intends to learn from these deployments to develop the safeguards needed for eventually broader access. Let me leave you with 4 key takeaways. First, Claude Mythos Preview is not a normal product launch. It is a genuine capability discontinuity, the kind of leap that happens once every few years and resets what we think AI can do. Second, the cybersecurity risk is not hype. Anthropic's own decision to withhold this model, backed by a 244-page system card and a $100 million industry coalition, signals that AI-augmented cyber attacks are an imminent threat every organization needs to prepare for. Third, we are entering the era of autonomous AI security agents. Project Glasswing is the first proof-of-concept deployment of AI as a real-time, autonomous vulnerability hunter operating on production infrastructure. That template will scale. And fourth, watch for what comes next. Anthropic is explicit that Glasswing is a learning exercise for eventually deploying Mythos class models at scale. When that access broadens, and it will fundamentally change how enterprise software is built and secured. Thank you for watching. Please support our work by joining us as a member, and please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. I will see you in the next video.